Okay, guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and also welcome to the mathematics likely question answer for this upcoming Jamb examination. So this is a continuation. This is a continuation of this previous video. Okay, in previous video we took question 11 to question 15, but in this place we are treating question 16 to question 20. Okay, so if this is your first time watching my video or visit my channel, and do it to subscribe, like, or notification button in case what we have a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, let's go how you can solve these questions. Okay, guys, this is the question 16 for today, mathematics class. Okay, this question says that we have solve s and y. If s minus y equal to 2 and s squared minus y squared is equal to 8. So we want to solve for this two equation now. So if you look at this topic very well, is a simultaneous equation. Okay, so in this place now, how we solve it? I will use substitution method. Because this question is best for substitution method to solve. So I will use substitution method to solve for this question for you. Okay, let's go how you can solve this question now. Okay, this is the solution. Let's divide the equation out. Our s minus y is equal to what? 2. Let's call this one equation 1. We have our s squared minus y squared is equal to what? 8. Let's call this one equation 2. So from this place now, we have now from this equation 1, you can make either s or y the subject of what? Or the formula. So in this place, let's make s as the formula for this equation what? 1. So for equation 1, let's make s as the formula here. So if the s is equal to, you take this minus what? Y to other side, which is to plus here. Now you have 2 plus what? Y. Okay, so here our s is equal to this. So let's call this one equation what? 3. Our s is equal to this now. So to get your y now, to get the value of your y, you put this what? You substitute this equation 3 into what? Equation 2. Okay, you substitute this equation 3 into equation 2 to get the value for what? For y. Okay, our s is equal to this now. To get the value of this y now, you have to put what? This equation 3 into this one equation 2. So let's go. Our s is equal to this, right? So let's put it here. For this equation 2 here, you have s squared minus what? Y squared is equal to 8. And s is giving us what? For the equation 3, s is equal to 2 plus what? Y. So if you put it here, we have it like this. That will be what? 2 plus y, everything was square, minus y squared equal to what? 8. Okay. So in this place now, let's expand this one. If we expand this one, let's take this one outside and let's expand it. Okay, here we have our 2s. Sorry. We have our 2 minus y into bracket, open bracket, we have a square. So this can also be expanded as what? Now it's 2 plus what? Y, open bracket, 2 plus what? Y, close bracket. So in this place now, what we just, let's open the bracket here. That is what? 2 times 2, we have what? 4. 2 times y plus what? 2y. I've done this one. Have y times 2, that's what? Plus what? 2y. Y times y, that gives us plus what? Y was square. So in this place then we have our 4, 2y plus 2y, that gives us plus what? 4y. They give us 4y, and this time we have our y was square. So now this one, our expression of this is equal to what? This. So let's put this one into what we get here. So this one becomes, instead of writing this s plus 2 square, right? So the answer is equal to what? This. So let's put it here. We have 4 plus what? 4y plus what? Y square minus y square equal to what? 8. So in this place now we have what? Y square minus y square. So it means that this one we cancel, we turn to what? 0. So we're left with what? Equal to, we left with what? That is 4. That's 4 plus 4y equal to what? 8. So to make this y as a formula now, let's take this one to this side. Take this one, let's say to this side, and collect it like time. So this one becomes, we have it like this, that is 4y equal to, we have 8. This is to what? Minus, that's what? Minus what? 4. So this one now becomes, that is what? 4y equal to 8 minus 4, we have 4. So to make this y as a formula now, the variable start by equation of y, which is what? The variable start by what? By 4, divided by 4. 4 cancels 4 here. So we'll left with what? Our y, 1 here, 4 here, 1. 4 here, we have a 1. Our y is equal to what? 1. So the value of y is what? Is 1. So to get our s now, from this equation 3, you put this y is equal to what? 1 into this what? Equation what? Equation 3 we have here. So to get the value of what? Our this s. So now from this equation 3, we have our s plus s is equal to 2 plus what? Y. Okay, so our y is equal to 1. So therefore now our s now is equal to, we have our 2 plus what? Y is equal to 1. So put 1 into this with this, that's 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3. So therefore our s is equal to what? 3. So 3 is the answer for what? For s. S is equal to 3, while y is equal to what? 1. So let's look for our option now. Let's look for the option here. Here we have our s. This first number here, this one is s, this one is s, this one is s, this one is what? S. The this one is y, this one is y, this one is y, this one is what? Y. So here in this place now our s is equal to 3. Here we say our s equal to 3. You have it here, and y is equal to what? 1. So it means that our answer is what? Is B. So that is how you solve this question. I hope you understand. Okay, let me do the word question 17 of this class. Okay. Okay guys, so welcome to question 17 of today's class. Okay, this question 17 says that we have if y vary directly as square root of s and y is equal to 3 when s is equal to 16. Calculate y when s is equal to 64. Okay, so in this question, this is a variation question. Okay, from this place now we can solve it very easily way. Okay, here they say that y is very directly as what? As square root of y, of s rather, as square root of s. So here we have the expression, the interpretation of this given as y is what? Is very directly towards square root of what? Of s. So therefore this one can also be said because this alpha is always a constant that equal to, that is k what? Square root of what? Of s. So in this place then they said that what? And what? Y is equal to 3. Here for our y is equal to what? 3. And they say s is equal to what? 16. Our s is equal to what? 16. So we want to get the value of what? Of our constant now. So in this place now, what we just do now, let's put this one into our data, our formula we have here. So now if you put this y is equal to 3, s is equal to 16 into this place now, what we get value of what? Of a constant of k. So therefore here we have it like this. That be what? Y, instead of writing this y, replace by what? That is 3 equal to, that's what? K is square root of what? Our s is equal to 16, square root of 16. Here we have the square root of 16 is what? Square root of 16 is what? Is 4. So in this place now, we have it like this. That's what? 3 equal to root 4 what? 4k. So let me put as k because the square root of 16 is what? Square root of 16 is 4. That gives us as k. So to get the value of this k now, divide both sides by what? By 4. When you divide both sides by 4 here, divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. So now our k now is equal to, we have what? 3 over what? 4. So you can also write this word. Since k is equal to 3 over 4, so this is our equation here. It now becomes, we have y equal to, that is what? 3 over 4, because k is equal to what? 3 over 4 square root of what? Of s. Okay, so this question now, we have get our formula now. For this question now, calculate y when s is equal to what? 64. We want to get the value of our y here, and our s is equal to what? 64. So here now, when our s is equal to 64, there's s is equal to what? 64. So we want to get the value of what? Of this y. So let's put 64 into where you see what's our s. So now this one now becomes, we have for our y is equal to, you have 3 over what? 4 square root of what? Of 64. Okay, so in this place, square root of 64 is what? Is 8. Here we know our y now become 3 over 4 multiplied by what? 8, because square root of 68 is what? Is 8. So what is common to both sides? Let's say over to this. 2 here 1, I mean 4 here 1, 4 here we have what? We have 2. So 11 is what? 3 times 2, that you have 6. So our y is equal to what? 6. So the answer for this one is what? Y is equal to what? 6. Okay, that is how you solve for this question 17, or this is how you solve this question in case what? It's a similar question on this or coming Jamb examination. So that is how what you solve it. Okay, let me talk about question 18 of this today class. Okay guys, you're welcome back. Okay, this is question 18 of today mathematics class for this upcoming Jamb examination. So in this place we have the question, if s is inversely proportional to y and s is equal to what? 2 over 1 over 2. When y is equal to 2, find the value of s if y is equal to what? 4. So we want to find the value of s when y is equal to what? 4. So in this place now we do is still what? Is still variation. Okay, so in this place what we just do, let's interpret what we have here. Is that y is inversely proportional to what? 1 to y. So here we have it like this. Our s is inversely proportional to what? Is inversely proportional to the inversely proportional to the what? To y. That is what? 1 over what? Y. So in this place now, this can also be interpreted because this alpha is a constant, which gives our s equal to, that is k multiplied by what? 1 over what? Y. So k times y, that is giving us what? So this way we have our s, k times 1, that is what? K equal to what? K over what? Y. So in this place now, they say that they give us that as s is equal to 2 number 1 over 2, and yes, our y is equal to what? 2. So we want to get what? Our constant now, value of this constant. So what we do now, say when our s is equal to 2 over 1 over 2, so this one is in mixed fashion. Let's convert into what? Improper fashion. That's what? 2 times 2 here, guess what? That is 2, that is 4 rather, plus 1, that gives us 5. So therefore our area of 5 over 2. So here our y is giving us what? Y is equal to what? 2. So let's put what? These two datas now. S is equal to 2 over 5 and y is equal to 2 into what? The equation we have here. So now to get the value of what? Our k. To get the value for this order, our k. So in this place, if we write this expression out, we have our s. We have our s equal to, we have k over what? Y. So our s is equal to 5 over 2. That will give us equal to, instead of writing this s, we have 5 over what? 2 equal to our k over divided by, we have what? Y is equal to 2, that is 2. So to get the value of this s now, this place is what? In the fraction. This also what's in fraction. What you just do, understand by what? Equal to, you just what? You cross multiply. So when you multiply this time this, that gives what? As 10. This time this, that gives us as what? As 2k. So this one we have what? 2 times k, we gives our what? As 2 what? K equal to, this time this, that gives us as 10. Okay, what's to get the value of this k? Divide both sides equation of k, which is what? Divide both sides 2, divide both sides by 2. 2 comes 2 here. We have it as equal to k is equal to, we have 2 here, 1, 2 here, we have what? 5. So k is equal to what? 5. So therefore now this equation we have here now becomes, we have k is equal to what? 5. So this question now became, we have s equal to, our k is equal to what? 5 over what? Y. So this is the what? Equation we derived for this what? For this question. So now to get the value of this s now, we use this equation to solve it. And this our y is equal to what? 4. Okay, so in this place our y is equal to 4. When our y is equal to 4, we want to find what? Our s. So now we use this equation we derive out. So our equation says that s is equal to 5 over what? Y. So therefore now we have our s equal to, we have 5 over our y is what? Is what? 4. Okay, so in this place now, you can leave your answer like this. But in the option, I don't write the option here. Sorry for that. I don't write the option for this question. Sorry for that. But in the option, they leave it, or there's no 5 over 4 there. Okay, there's no 5 over 4 there. The answer that is there, you can convert this one to mixed fraction back, because our essay is what is in mixed fraction. You can convert this essay to mixed fraction back. Okay, so if we talk about it, how many 4 can you see in 5? That is what? At 1 times. So we made that what? 1. So therefore now s is equal to, let me write it like this. Our s now, s is equal to 1 divided by 4, 4 divided by 5, that is what in 1 places, and we made that what? 1. That is 1 over what? 4. So our answer for this was in mean fraction is equal to this. And if you want to leave it to our proper fraction here, you have this. So this is how you solve for this question 18. And this is how you solve likely question to this word, or this variation was question. Okay, let's move to question what? 19 of this what? Of this today class. Okay guys, so welcome to question 19 of today mathematics class. Okay, in this question 19 we had, for what range of value of s is 1 over 2 multiplied by s plus 1 over 4 greater than 1 over 3s plus 1 over what? Plus 1 over 2. Okay, so we want to find the range of what? Of s for this question. So the first thing to come to your mind, this question is for what? Inequality. I know. So you can solve this one. I'll give you the simplest way you can solve this question. Okay, so let's go. So let me write this what question we have. The question we are given here, we have what? 1 over 2 s plus 1 over 4 greater than 1 over 3 s plus what? 1 over what? 2. So in this place now, in this place, you can do it like this. This one can also interpret it because this s multiplied by this one here. Same thing here, s multiplied by this one here. So this one now becomes the equation now. It becomes we have s over what? 2 plus we have 1 over 4 greater than we have s over what? 3 plus 1 over what? 2. So in this place now, what we just do here now, since we have all both part, this part, this part, and this part, they are both what? In fraction. So what we just needed, this simple logic you can use to solve this what is to find the SCL of what? Of this denominator here, the SCL of 2, 4, 3, and 2. What's the SL of 3, 4, 2, and 2? What's the SL? The SL is what? Is 12. So it means that the SL of this is used to multiply what? Both sides there. Multiply by what? Is 12. Is what? Multiply by both sides. So 12 multiplied by this, we have what? We have it as 12 multiplied by s over 2 plus we have 12 multiplied by 1 over 4 greater than we have 12 multiplied by s over 3 plus we have 12 multiplied by we have 1 over what? 2. So here now, 2 here 1, 2 in 12 we have 6. Okay. 4 here 1, 4 in 12 we have 3. Okay. 3 here 1, 3 here we have 4. 2 here 1, 2 here we have what? 6. Okay. So in this place now, let's we left it was 6 here. 6 times s will give us what? As 6 what? S. Okay. So in this place we have 3. 3 times 1 we have plus what? We have plus that is 3 greater than here we have what? 4. 4 times s we have what? 4 what? S here plus here we have 6. 6 times 1 we have 6. So the next thing to do here is to collect like time. So let's take s here and take the number out to this side. So in this place, if you take our this 4s, bring it here, we have our 6s minus what? 4s, because plus here change to what? Change to minus here. So because this one is what? Because it's plus here, when it comes to this one, change to what? Minus. So next thing to do here, let's take this plus 3 to this side. So you have greater than, we have 6. This one changes to what? Minus here. That's what? Minus 3. So the next thing to do now, 6s minus 4s gives us what? As 2 what? S. Here we have say 6 minus 3s, 3 here, we have what? As 3 here. So here now we have our s. This we get us as 2 what? S. Greater than 1. 6 minus 3, we have 3. So know the value of this what? Of this s now. Divide both sides by what? By 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both by 2. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, so what? 1. So our s is equal to what? This. So therefore now, the range of s is equal to, that's greater than 3 over what? 2. So that is answer for this question. Okay, let's look for what? For our option now. We have s is s greater than what? 3 over 2. So these are our option what? Option B. Option B. S is equal to s greater than what? 3 over what? 2. So that is how you solve this question. Okay, I hope you understand, and if you understand, don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe on the share button in case what we have a next video like this. Okay, let me move to the last question, which is what? Question 20 of today what video. Okay guys, you're welcome to the last question of today mathematics class. Okay, for this upcoming Jamb examination. So in this place now, we have this question like this question 20, and this question states that we have solve this inequality words minus 6 less than equal to 4 minus 2s less than 5 minus what? S minus s. So in this place now, we are given these options now. So how will you solve for this question to get your answer here? It's very simple. So let me write the question was out first. So if I write the question out, we have what? Minus 6 less than equal to 4 minus 2s less than what? 5 minus what? S. So in this place now, what we just do next now, since we have what? 2 inequality sign here, we have less than equal to and less than here. So here we have to solve it what? Separately. Okay. So the first thing equal to the first inequality is stop at this place, while the second start from this place and stop at what? At this place. So let's solve for this first what? Inequality what? Sign. So the first equality start, we have it as minus 6 less than equal to 4 minus what? 2 what? S. Where you stop at what? At this. So in this place now, what we just do next now is to collect the like time, because minus 6 and this one, they are like. So take this one to this place. We have what? Minus 6 minus what? 4 less than equal to 2 what? Minus 2s. Right? We have minus what? 2s. So in this place, minus 6, minus 4, we have minus what 10, less than equal to minus what 2 what s. So find the value of our s in this place, divide both sides by what? By minus 2. Okay, when you divide both sides by minus 2, divide both sides by what? Minus what? 2. Minus cancel minus 2 cancel 2 here. We have minus cancel minus here. We have 2 here, 1. 2 here, we have what? 5. So since we are dividing both sides by what? By negative number. So this inequality sign will change. Okay, the inequality sign here will change because we are divided by both sides by what? By negative what number. This inequality sign what will change. Here we have less than equal to, before we change to what? Greater than what? Equal to. Okay, so in this place that we have it as 5 greater than what? Equal to what? S. Or you can also write it like this, because this 5 is greater than what? And equal to greater than and equal to what? This s. So you can also write this as our s is what? Is less than equal to what? 5. 5 is greater than equal to s here. You can also what? Say s is what? Is less than equal to what? 5. It's somewhat the same. Okay, so we have solved for the second what? For this first inequality. So let's go move to the second inequality. And this second inequality sign is start from this place and end at this place. So the second part now, let me add the second part. We have it as what? 4 minus 2s less than, we have 5 minus what? S. So the next thing to do here is to collect the like time. So when you collect the like time, we have take this one to this, take this one to what? To this. So here we have this. In this place that we have what? Minus 2s here. When this minus s, when you come to this one, change to what? Plus what? S less than 5. This one comes to minus what? 4. Okay, in this place that we have 2s plus s, that gives us what? As minus what? S less than 5 minus 4, that you have what? 1. So here now, to get the value of this s is still attached to what? Negative. So we divide both sides by what? By minus 1. The question of s is what? Is 1. So you divide both sides by what? By minus 1. Or you multiply both sides by what? Minus. So let's multiply both sides by what? Minus. You multiply both sides by minus. And don't forget, I said this sign will change. Either you are multiplying or you are dividing both sides by what? By negative number. So this sign here will change. So minus times minus here we change to what? Plus. That we have our s. Here minus times 1 here we have what? We have 1. This sign will change because we are multiplying both sides by what? By negative number. So in the less than here we change to what? Greater than here. And minus times this girl, you have what? Minus 1. This one is what? Minus 1. We have minus 1 here. Minus times 1, he gets what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So the next thing to do now, this one can also write it like this because s is greater than minus 1. So you can say minus 1 is less than s. Okay, minus 1 is less than s, so it's not the same thing because s is greater than what? Minus 1, and say minus 1 is less than s, is still what? The same. Okay, now next thing to do now is to compare our answer. This is our first inequality and it's our second inequality. So if you write, you can write it like this because s is less than is a 1 minus 1 is less than s. You can write that is minus 1 less than what? S. So combine it to this one to answer you get here. We have is our s is less than what? Equal to 5. You have our s less than what? Equal to what? 5. So now this is our answer for this question. So let's check our options. Maybe we have it there. So this is our option A. We have this one is this, no. This one is what? S less than s equal that s less than equal to what? 5. So it means that our correct answer is what? Is B. Okay, B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, this has come to the end of class today. Okay, so in our next video we'll be looking at what? Question 21 to question 30. Okay, don't miss out this Jamb class for this upcoming Jamb examination. This is a mathematics class for Jamb. Okay, and subscribe, like us to the button, and in case you have question or maybe you have mathematics question too, you want us to solve it, you can let us know in the comment section. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and the button in case what we have any further like this. Thank you very much.